Hello all. Today I am going to discuss about commit, rollback and Savepoint in SQL. First I will discuss the commit command in SQL. Commit is used for saving the transaction in the database. I will take an student details table for an example. Select star from student details. I have created this table in my previous video. Hope you know. Select star from student details table. See, now there is no data in the table. Student ID is a first column, student full name is a second column, and student location is my third column. So now I am going to perform DML operation in the student details table, like insert, update, or delete. Whatever the transactions made in the student details table, I am going to save that. First, I am going to insert few records in the student details table using insert command. Insert into table name values open bracket, give the column value. First column is ID column. I am giving value as 11 and name is Vijay and location is Bangalore. So this is the first record I am going to insert into the student details table. I am going to execute the command using function F9 in keyboard, or you can use this symbol execute statement. In below you can see one row got inserted. I am going to fetch the student details table now. Now you can able to see the record as inserted into the student details table. I am going to insert another value to the same student details table using insert command. The value is 12. I'm going to change the name as Ajit and the location as Mumbai. Now I'm going to insert this value. I think I missed the single quote. I'm going to run the command. Now again I want to insert it. I'm fetching the student details table again. Now you can able to see two records are got inserted into the student details table. So to save these two records in the student details permanently, we need to use the command called commit. Either you can use the command commit, or you can able to see here in the above below window, you can able to see the commit symbol with the down arrow mark. You can click on this, or else you can just type the commit and execute the statement, which means you can see in the below commit executed at time with date, right? So which means now we have saved the two records in the student details table permanently. This is the help of commit command. Also using you can update also. You can update student details set student location equal to, I am going to change Ajit location as Mumbai currently. I am going to change it to Chennai, where student ID equal to 12, right? Update student details set the column name equal to the new value Chennai, where student ID equal to 12. Just select and execute this statement. One row updated. Now you can fetch the student details table. Still you can see the changes has been reflected, but it is not saved permanently. To save the changes to the student details table permanently, use the commit command. Now I have committed the value. Now which means now I am permanently saved the data to the student details table. You can use the commit command, or you can use the icon commit to save the transaction permanently. Now currently we have only two records in the table. I am going to insert one more records, 13 Simbu and the location is Chennai. I'm going to run this command, one row inserted. Now you can see function F9 I'm pressing. So now the third record got inserted. Still I am not given committed. If you want to restore the value to the previous data, use the rollback command, or you can use the rollback icon. The same thing. Rollback is something restoring the previously saved data. Rollback, simply type the rollback and use the execution statement or function F9 in the keyboard. If I am using this rollback now, the 13 Simbu Chennai, this data will not be present in the student details table. I'm going to run this code. Rollback executed, which means restored. I have restored the value to the student details table. I'm going to run the student details table. Now we can able to see the 13th record Simbu and the location is Chennai got deleted from the student details table using rollback command. Rollback is something restoring to the previously saved data, which means control Z. Commit is something called control S. The last command is Savepoint command. Savepoint is used for temporarily save the transaction in the database. I'm going to take the same table. Now we can see only two records are there in the student details table. I'm going to insert the new record to the table student details. I'm going to insert the 13 Ajay Bangalore. I'm going to run the command, and also I'm going to execute one more record 14 Rupesh Bangalore. I'm just running the code. Now I'm fetching the student details table. You can see two records got inserted. I'm going to use the save point for these two records. Command is save point. Give the save point name. I'm just giving the A. Just run this save point created. In the student details table, the first two records, the 11 and 12 is permanently saved already, but 13 and 14 is yet to be permanently saved to the student details table. But we have created the save point called A, which means we have temporarily saved these two transactions into the student details table. Now again I am going to insert the new record to the student details table. ID is 15 and the name is Idaya and the location will be the same, no issue. And again I am inserting the new record called 16 and the name is Ganesh and the location will be same. Now I am fetching the student details table. You can see fifth record and sixth record. 15 and 16th record also not yet saved permanently to the student details table, but it is but 14 and but 13 and 14th record is temporarily we have saved to the transaction, which means we can roll back till save point A. Now I'm using the command called rollback to A, which means it will delete the 15 and 16th record. We can able to see 11, 12, 13th record to the student details table. Now I'm going to execute the rollback to save point A. I'm going to running the code. Now I'm fetching the student details table. Now you can able to see the 13 and 14th record is temporarily saved into the student details table. So I'm rollbacking to the state A state, which means restoring to the A state. Now I'm going to create another save point called B. Save point space B. I'm going to run this code, which means these 15 and 16th is temporarily saved to save point B. Got it right? Uh, we have created two save point here. One is A save point for 13 and 14th record, and for save point B 15 and 16th record. Now I'm going to insert one more new row 17 Magesh. The location will be same, Bangalore. Inserted. Now I'm fetching the student details table. Now you can see the 17 Magesh Bangalore also got inserted. The first save point is till rupees 14 Bangalore. The second save point B is till 17, sorry. The second save point B is temporarily saved till 16 Ganesh Bangalore. If you want to roll back to B or if you want to roll back to A, it will come to the that state, particular save point. For example, now I'm going to roll back to B state, which means it will delete the 17th record only because we have already saved the save point B. Save point B is till 16 Ganesh Bangalore, right? I'm going to execute this command function F9. Now I am going to fetch the student details table. Now you can able to see the only one record got deleted, but save point A is 1314 and save point B is 1516. Now I'm going to roll back till A, which means 15th and 16th records got deleted. Now I am going to fetch the student details table. Now you can able to see the record 13 and 14 present still because save point A we have saved. And that's all about the commit, rollback and save point. To summarize, commit is permanent save and rollback is restoring to the previous defined state, and save point is temporary save. And that's all about these three commands. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt or any comments regarding this video, please comment it below in the comment section. Thank you.